From a distance, it appears almost closed, a simple wooden volume facing one of the most open landscapes on the Chilean coast. But once you stepped inside, something changes. The ocean doesn't appear all at once. It gradually reveals itself through windows and openings positioned throughout the house. This is the Mandakovic House, also known as Casa Carlos Cortés, set on a site near the Pacific Ocean in a landscape defined by low vegetation, constant winds, and a completely open horizon toward the sea. In a place like this, it would be common to see a house fully opened to the view, but here the design follows a different path. The house presents itself as a compact two-story volume built with wood, stone, concrete, and carefully placed glass openings. This more enclosed form protects the interiors from the strong ocean winds while creating a more controlled relationship with the surrounding landscape. Inside, the experience shifts. Instead of one large panoramic view, the project creates framed views of the landscape. The sea appears gradually, revealed between walls, beams, and windows. The internal layout is simple. On the ground floor are the social spaces, living room, kitchen, and shared areas connected to small outdoor spaces that are more protected from the wind. Wood dominates the interiors, creating warm and welcoming spaces. Stone and concrete anchor the house to the terrain, while glass acts as the transition between interior and landscape. On the upper level are the bedrooms, with windows oriented toward the Pacific horizon. With around 150 square meters, the Mandakovic House shows how a relatively compact architecture can create a very precise relationship with its surroundings. The architecture is also organized in clear layers. A heavier stone base anchors the house to the ground. A band of glass opens the views toward the landscape, and above it, a wooden volume defines the upper level, where the bedrooms are located. This layered composition gives the building both stability and lightness, a house that feels firmly connected to the terrain while still remaining quiet within the vast landscape around it. Outside, the house also creates a series of protected outdoor spaces that extend daily life beyond the interior. Low stone walls and terraces help shield these areas from the strong coastal winds, allowing the exterior spaces to remain usable throughout the day. Instead of competing with the landscape, the house organizes the way it is seen, turning the simple act of looking toward the ocean into part of the experience of living in the space.